Did you know you can make tinted moisturizer from your Seint cream foundation? I'm just taking a little bit of my moisturizer, a little bit of my darker foundation color, mixing them together on the back of my hand. And then I like to apply it with the small side of the blush and bronzer brush. This was just really my favorite for almost all of my foundation application. But I'm going to make sure that I blend that in really well. I'm just kind of going lightly over everywhere just to create a nice, sheer, even finish. Now I'm flipping that brush over, loading it up with some bronzer, and hitting the high points of my face. So just think of where the sun would hit you, where you would get a tan, and then I always put it under my chin where I don't get a tan, just to blend it all together. Now I'm grabbing a illuminator. So this is what traditionally you would call a highlighter. It has that shimmer to it. This is our cream version. We do have powders also. Now I'm going to add some contour just under my cheekbone, around my hairline, and on my jawline to sculpt that out a little bit. I like to use the flat side of the detail brush to contour my nose. Helps it look a little bit thinner. Now this is something new I'm trying out with my setting spray, tapping it under my eye with a light fluffy brush, and then taking my concealer color and tapping under with it. I'm going to do the same thing under my nose, and then I'm doing a little bit of extra spot cover where I've got some blemishes going on, and I'm just going to flip over my brush to blend it. Now I'm using my brightening color, which is my lightest, just to give a little extra pop next to my eye and under my cheekbone. Grabbing my favorite blush color and applying that to my cheeks and my lips. Now I'm going into my eyeshadow, just using Vanilla Dust all over, and then a medium neutral brown in the crease and just above it. Now I'm grabbing a little bit darker color to go way above my crease to really give my eye a good lift. Flip my brush over, blend it out softly. Lastly, clean off my brush on the brush cleaning tile and then grab a little bit of the darkest brown that I have as my eyeliner. I'm just cleaning out my eyebrows right now before I fill them in. Now I'm grabbing my lightest highlight color and just putting a little bit of that under my arch of my brow, blending it in. It gives a nice pop and kind of cleans up the edges too. Now I'm filling in my brow with a demi color. This is NG+1. It's a pretty ashy brown. It can also work as a contour and as eyeliner. Now I'm grabbing my City Beauty mascara and getting a good coat of that on. I do have a discount link for that if you want it. And that's it. I feel put together, easy, tinted moisturizer, glowy skin. Ready to get your match? Just text match to 719-345-1345. And before I forget, I'm just going to tap a little bit of my Vanilla Dust setting powder, make sure everything stays in place all day. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day.